Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. My name is Deepak Mujumdar. I, along with my group partners Victor Barua and Sanju Mandal, have designed this prototype under the guidance of Professor Kandarpa Kumar Sharma and faculty guide Amrita Chaudhary. The topic of our project is Smart Waste Management System using Arduino and IoT platform. In our project, we have two systems. System 1. This system is placed in the bin, and system 2, which is placed in the garbage truck. In system 1, we are using ultrasonic sensor. This sensor will continuously check the level of trash in the bin. We are using two microcontrollers, Arduino Uno and NodeMCU. Arduino Uno will process and fetch the data coming from different sensors. NodeMCU will act as a microcontroller as well as a Wi-Fi board. It will give our project the internet capabilities that we need. GPS module. GPS module will fetch the latitude and longitude data, that is the location of the bin. GSM module. GSM module will help us in sending the text message that includes the location of the bin to the concerned authorities. The ultrasonic sensor will continuously check the level of garbage in the bin. As we can see, the bin is half filled, and also an LED is placed outside which shows the level of bin to the user. The green LED glows, which means the bin is half filled. Now as the bin is being filled, a time will come when it will get completely full. As we can see, the bin is full and the red LED glows. When the bin is completely full, a message is sent automatically to the concerned authorities. A message is being received now. Let's see what does it read. It says dustbin level reached 90%. Please go to this location along with an URL. Let's click the URL. The URL when clicked will automatically open Google Map. This will give the location of the bin and where it is placed to the concerned authorities, and the authorities can then send the garbage truck and also the collector along with them. The person will collect the garbage. And also the data are being displayed in the ThingSpeak server. The authorities can check it from their control room. As the level of bin is full and the red LED glows, the ThingSpeak server is also notified regarding the level of the bin. The whole day collection of trash in the bin is also viewed as a graph in the top, as we can see in the top left corner. That data that are being uploaded to ThingSpeak are done using NodeMCU. The alternate sensor data are being fed into the NodeMCU using serial communication. Now, when the bin is full and the authority sends the collector and the garbage truck to clear the bin, let's see what happens when the bin is being cleared. Now, when the bin is cleared, the yellow LED glows. The LED here is burned, and so I have placed another LED here. When the bin is empty, another message is sent to the authorities regarding the clearance of the bin. A message is received. It reads dustbin has been cleared in this location. This will ensure that the dustbin is regularly cleared and no dustbin is left filled. The entire data are uploaded in the ThinkSpeak server. As you can see, the entire data is uploaded into the ThinkSpeak server. Now coming back to the system 2. System 2 will have NodeMCU, which will give wireless connectivity, and a GPS module. The GPS module will give the live location of a truck. We can check the location of the truck using Blink app. Here we see the location of the truck, live location of the truck. The entire system can be tracked in real time using internet. Thank you.